What's up, man? Today we are here, and oh my god, actually, I'm gonna put some music in the back. Okay, that's a lot better. Hope you guys can hear that. And the thing I like most about this set is this and this. I like everything about the set, basically. In the world, are you with me? Okay, I like this, especially this. Really, this. I really like this. Get up, time. Okay, like it's arrow basically pointing up so it can go up it, and here's some lines right here. This says AP apple pie, and this says intakes. It's hard to really see. And I don't think it actually says apple pie, but I'm just guessing it says apple pie. Because AP, what else would it stand for? Apples are delicious. That's one for the money. Oh, these wheels. Oh yeah, I forgot about a cool feature. Hold on. I didn't throw it, did I? Nope. Look. Gold's by itself. And I'm gonna turn that annoying music. Hold on. This thing right here? It's similar to this. But by the way, do you like my Bugatti or Lamborghini? I think it's Bugatti. Doesn't look like a Lamborghini. I don't even know which one. See, it looks like this. Exactly the same. But this one just doesn't go up the rim. See, like you pull it back and it goes. Just look. Pull it back and it goes. So, yeah, they're really similar. But this one's made out of Legos. That's the cool part. It's like this, but just bigger and made out of Legos, and also not a Bugatti. Yeah, so. Now let's look at the box. Recommended to 714, set 42059, 142 pieces. I tried to talk really fast there, but this is how I actually found out. I didn't find out while I was building. I found out by looking at the box. It shows that when you pull it back, it goes. Yeah, plus it's giant pull back sign right there. So turn that music off. There you go. But I would really recommend this technic. Oh, darn it! I didn't see the whole word technic set because it's really cool, and I recommend getting the other set that I show you on the back. This set right here. Get this set and this set.